Good evening, everyone. Today, we are thrilled to welcome Myers, a passionate advocate for automation and a seasoned expert in the Microsoft Power Platform. With a sharp focus on solving real world challenges through smart workflows, Myers brings clarity and creativity to even the most complex scenarios. In today's session, Myers dive into the common yet tricky situation sending email to unresolved recipient using the Power Automate. Whether you are dealing the dynamic data sources, incomplete contact list, or a conditional logic, Marius will walk us through the practical strategies to ensure your flow will remain robust and responsiveness. Get ready to explore the clever techniques, error handling best practices, and the tips will elevate your automation games. Let's give a warm welcome to Marius and over to you, Marius.
Thanks, Ambesh. Yeah, the challenge is not that big usually. I am trying to send an email to just someone, yeah, not a specific contact I have in my address book, but just a random email address that we have never seen before, like this. And with a regular email client, this works like this. You just enter the email and it will show up like this. And actually, I can send this email now, but that only works because I've enabled a specific setting for the Power Platform first. So in the Power Platform Environment Settings app, I went to email configuration, and then you have here this link email settings. I've pre-opened this because this opens the old UI and that takes a while to load. So this will bring you to this page right here. And this page has down here in set email form options, allow messages with unresolved email recipients to be sent. And I have set this to yes, and then hit OK to save the changes. This allows me that behavior that I can just enter in any email address and send out the email. Otherwise, I would need to create a contact or a lead or any other emailable entity that has that email address. We have now done this manually, just entering an email address here, but how do you do it in a flow? If you don't have a contact or lead, whatever, but just an email address where you need to send to. And in this case, I will show you this in the old designer, not the new one. And that's simply because this view looks different if you start working like this. So I've just a flow here manually triggering that makes it easy to test. Then I'm creating a row of email messages, and then you have this grid here of the activity parties. Usually looks like this. You select any type, so like from and to and CC, something like this. And then you have here, you link something, right? You specify an entity and an ID where you want to send to. And this doesn't work for me because I don't have an entity. I can't link a contact here because I don't have the email address. I just know this email. And let me show you what happens if I just add a new item. So I'll select to and then paste my email address here. This wouldn't work, and I will show you why if I switch to the input entire array option. And then you will see that this has a property, a party ID at ODataBind. And of course, at ODataBind, that's something you need to link something. So this email address right here wouldn't work. And instead, what you want to use is address used. And of course, I can simply, in this view, I can just change the attribute I'm setting here to address used. But in this case, I can just delete this. If we test this one now, after the test ran, we can see now here this activity parties that were created. And if we check out the opportunity I've opened before, this has just created a new email here. And in this email, we see the specific email address. This has a problem. So I'll call it a problem. You see right here the email address, but I have a contact with this email address in. It does not get resolved. If you were, for example, to synchronize this via the server-side synchronization from Exchange or App for Outlook, whatever, um, this would get resolved. From the email client, it would get in the email address, but it would resolve this contact to it because it has the same email address. This does not happen if you do it with Power Automate. Also with the front end, you type in the email address and the search will probably find the correct contact for it, but in this case not. That's a thing why I would suggest in your flow, if you have the chance that you have a contact in or a lead, try to search it first. And then if it's not found, use this other method because otherwise you have this unresolved recipients. And for example, in this timeline here, it won't show up, even though it would if we had used the correct contact. One more point here. So this tool I just use here, it's called Prettify My Web API for Microsoft Dataverse. I've shown it in another episode. In this, you can view relationships. And there you can search for activity parties, and the activity parties are what you see in the to and from and so on fields. So we can, for example, see the sender type mask1. This has a party ID value, so a lookup value, as well as an address used. As well as here we have the to recipient, and this only has an address used, but party ID value is null, so it's unresolved. So you can probably set a lot of other party ID values that are at least editable by the platform from the flow. So if you need to specify other things here, that might also be possible. And last bonus tip, if I edit here again, if you want to really send, not just create an email, but send it from a flow, you can use a bound action on email messages, which is called send email, and make sure to set issue send yes to really send it out. And that concludes how you send an email to an unresolved recipient.
Thank you so much, Marius, for your insightful tips. I would say it's more practical tips. Your approach to handling the unresolved recipients with the Power Automate was both clear and actionable. So we truly appreciate the knowledge you shared and the value you brought to the community today. Looking forward to more and more session from you. Thank you again.